Come and listen, listen to me, listen to my ABC. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. This is video number 100 for me. Wow! 100 videos. 100 videos of phonics. I do hope that you are enjoying them and finding them useful. So for this 100th phonics session, we are going to be thinking about the number 100 and we're going to set ourselves a challenge. Are you up for the challenge? Fantastic. So our challenge is to read and use 100 sounds today in our session. Do you think you can do it? I think it's going to be easier than we think. So 100 sounds. The first way I thought we could do it is through the alphabet song. But when we sing the alphabet song, we say the letter names. So our first challenge is to say the sounds of the letters when we see them. So I'm going to play the alphabet song again, but the song's not going to be there, just the sounds, and you'll see them. So say the sounds when you see them. So if you see the letter A, you will say A. Okay, so first challenge. Off you go. A, B, K, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, A, V, W, X, Y, Z. Well done, you did it. And that means we have just said 26 sounds because there's 26 letters in the alphabet. So we've got 26 sounds so far. Yes! So I'm going to add that to the board. So we've done 26 of our 100 sounds. Let's see if we can tally up some more sounds in the game of roll and read. And we're going to read some sounds. Off you go. Okay, phonics stars, let's see if we can build up some sounds. Build up our numbers by having a go at roll and read. And we're going to read sounds, okay? And at the end, we'll count up how many we've read and add that to our total score, okay? So here goes, let's have a roll. Okay, we've got 4, so let's take a look at 4. So we're going to say these sounds that we can next to our number 4. So we've got your turn, your turn, your turn. Well done, my turn. So we had you, w, v. Well done, you for yellow, w for water, and v for van. Well done. Okay, let's have another roll. Okay, we've got 3. Let's take a look at 3. We've got 3 digraphs here. So let's have a go. Your turn. Your turn. Your turn. Well done, my turn. Shh. Ch. Well done. So sh for shop. Ch for cheese. And for thumb. Okay, let's have another roll. What did we get? 6. So down here, 6. Okay, let's have a look at these 3 sounds. So your turn, your turn, your turn. Well done, and my turn. So we've got f, j, g. So f for floor, j for jug, and g for goal. Okay, well done everybody. We're doing well here. 6, we've just done 6. We want another number. 5. No, we haven't done 5, so let's have a look. 5. Let's take a look at these ones. Oh, we've got 2 that are sometimes muddled and we've got a digraph at the end. Okay, so here we go. So your turn, your turn, your turn. Well done, my turn. So we've got B, because we've got the bat and then the ball, or the bubble wand and then the bubble. So B, D, and O. Fantastic. So we've got B for bubble, D for drum, and U as in hill. Okay, here we go. Let's have another roll. Doing really well here. Got 6 again. We got 4 again. We need 2 or 1, don't we? There's the 1. Here we go. We've got 2 trigraphs for number 1. So let's have a go at these. Your turn. Well done. And your turn. Can you remember this one? Haven't done it for a while. Fantastic. So my turn, air, and my turn, your. So air as in stare, and your as in pure. Fantastic. So let's have a look at number 2 then, our last one. Number 2, we've got 3 long vowel digraphs. So let's have a go at these long vowels. Your turn. Brilliant. Your turn. Fantastic. And your turn. Well done. So my turn, A, E, and O. So A as in rain, E as in sheep, and O as in boat. Well done. So let's have a look at how many sounds we just did, and we'll add that to a total. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Can you remember that? So that was 17 sounds to add to our total. Fantastic, you did it. So that meant we had, was it 17? Yeah? Well done. So we're going to do 26 and we're going to add it to 17. Okay, see if you can have a go at totalling up that score. Did you have a go at 26 add 17? You could ask a friend to help you, of course. So 26 plus 17 is already 43 sounds. So equals 43. So we're up to 43 sounds already. We're going to do our tricky words next. That's not going to help us with our sounds because tricky words are tricky to sound out. But we're going to do them because we always do them and I can't miss them out on the 100th session. So let's have a go at our tricky words. Okay, stars, here are those tricky words. We have got this one. Very important for today. Well done, it's 1. So we'd need that for 100. So 1, well done. My turn, 1, your turn. Brilliant. Let's take a look at this one. So your turn. My turn, all, your turn. Well done. So this is all. We are all going to try and get to 100 sounds today. And this one. Your turn. My turn, said, your turn. Well done. We are all going to get to 100 sounds, said Mrs. Farr. Yes, that's the challenge. And our word to have a go at spelling today is they. They. So let's have a look at it. Let's say it. They. Cover it. Let's write it. So they. Oh, definitely know it's this sound at the beginning. And then we get the tricky bit. What do you think, guys? Should we have a look? Let's check. Yay! Got all the right letters there for the word they. Fantastic, well done.
Well done with your tricky words. I'm beginning to get a bit concerned. It's starting to get dark out there, and it's not so good for filming when it's dark. I think we're going to need some more help to get some more sounds, to total 100 sounds. We need some help for some night ninjas. PJ Masks, PJ Masks, PJ Masks, PJ Masks. Do you think they'll be able to help us? Let's see. Of course I'll help you. I'd love to help you get to 100 sounds. Leave it with me. I am so pleased that Owlet is able to help us to find some more sounds from somewhere. So last night, apparently they had to get some toys back from Romeo. Romeo had been taking toys from the toy shops. I don't know why, perhaps it was part of one of his science experiments, but they had to get them back and back in the shops for when they open soon. So she showed me some pictures of the toys that had gone missing. Let's see if we can write down a list of the toys that went missing. I'm going to show you the pictures. We're going to write it on the board, and at the end we'll count up how many sounds we used for a word. Okay, and then we'll have a nice big score at the end, I hope. She's hoping that this will really help us. So here goes. It's the first picture. Romeo on the back, look. He's been taking these toys. So he took this one. This is a train. So let's have a go at writing train. So grab your pencil and paper. I've got my pen here ready, and I'm going to have a go at writing train. So train. So if we can do this, we're going to get 4 sounds out of this. So train. Let's have a go. A. It's in the middle of the word, so I need the A and the I. Train. Train. Did you get the same? So we had A. So that's 4 sounds. There's more letters, but we're looking at the sounds. So 4 sounds. Let's take a look at the next one. So the next one he took, there he is on the back. It was a net. A net. Okay, so let's have a go at writing net. So what's that going to give us? Et. Net. So that's going to give us 3 sounds, which is brilliant. So let's have a go at writing net. Grab your pencil and paper, off you go. So et. Net. Net. Well done. Fantastic. So that's going to give us 3 sounds. That's brilliant. Okay, let's have a look at the next one. The next thing he took was a boat. A boat. He's on the back. Boat. So let's have a think about boat. So boat. So again, we're going to get 3 sounds out of this. So boat. Just got to remember what digraph it is for O. So let's have a go at boat. So O. Boat. Did you get an O and an A for the O sound? Brilliant, well done. So boat is going to give us 3 sounds. Boat. Let's have a look at the next thing. Here we go. It was a drum. There he is on the back. So a drum. Let's have a go at drum. So d, r, dr, a, dr, a, dr, a, That's given us 4 sounds. Brilliant. 4 sounds. This is fantastic. Let's have a look at the next one. So the next picture she gave us was of a clock, an alarm clock. There he is on the back. So an alarm clock. We're going to write clock. You ready to have a go at clock? So k, ok. That's going to give us 4 sounds as well. So k, o, and k. We need the digraph k at the end here. Brilliant. Did you get the same? Yay! So that's going to give us 4 sounds. We've got k, ok, clock. Fantastic. There's 2 more things, so let's see what we can get out of these. So this was a truck. There he is on the back. So truck. What did you get? 4 sounds as well. Brilliant. So it's another 4 sounder. So let's have a go at truck. And again, it's the end of a word, so we need that digraph there. Did you get the same? Brilliant. So truck. Fantastic. So we've got another 4 sounds. There, look at this lovely tally of sounds we're getting. This is brilliant. Now the last one was this. I wondered what it was. But she said it was a frisbee. There he is, and he took a frisbee. Now if we can get this one, this is going to give us the most sounds of all. So is e. 6 sounds. It's going to give us 6 sounds. So let's have a really good go at this one. So frisbee. So curly whirly. So fr is. I know how to do is. So frisbee. Definitely know that. Did you get the same? I'm going to just check mine. Frisbee. Yes! Yes, well done. You did it too. So that's 6 sounds. I worked out before that if we were able to do all of these sounds, it was going to give us 28 sounds in total. So we can add that to our score. Well done, everybody. That's fantastic. Well done, guys. That gave you 28 sounds. So I believe you're going to have to add it to what you've already got. So 28 sounds added to your 43. That's massive. And it's going to give you a huge total. It's going to give you the total of 71. You're nearly there. You guessed we'd be able to help you, didn't you? You may have noticed it's getting a bit darker, so we haven't got much longer left to be able to get to our 100 sounds. We're doing really well, but I think we're going to have to ask for more help from the Night Ninja. So we're going to write her a note. We're going to write her a note that says, will the Night Ninja help us? If we can do that, it's going to give us a really good extra score, just working it out. If we can write, will the Night Ninja help us? It's going to give us 17 sounds. So I've got my paper, I've got my pen, I've got my torch in case it starts to get a little bit dark. In fact, I might just put it over here, give us some light. There we go. Okay, so will the Night Ninja help us? So will needs to have a capital letter at the beginning because it's the beginning of our question. So w. I. All of the digraph, all we need there. So will, I need a finger space, the. You're giving this a good go at home as well, well done. So T-H-E, T-H-E, T-H-E spells the. And we can't include that as our score because it's a tricky word, but it's going to help to create the question. So will the night, so this is going to help us. So night, I, and it's I-G-H that we need. So I, that trigraph. Will the Night Ninja. Now this is a way of describing Owlet, so we don't need capital letters because it's a description of her. If we were using her name, then we'd need a capital letter. So will the Night Ninja will the Night Ninja help? So I need a finger space and we need help. Will the night ninja help, finger space, us? Will the night ninja help us? Us. Brilliant. And at the end we need our question mark. So round, down and stop. Okay, here we go. So we've got will the night ninja will the night ninja help us will the night ninja help us, question mark. That's going to give us an extra 17 sounds. Well done, everybody. Thank you for helping me write that question. Let's see if she can help us one more time. Of course I will. Of course I'll help you. And I'll get Catboy and Gecko to help me help you as well. But that question that you just wrote us added some more points to your score. So that gave you 17 sounds. So if we do 71, add 17 sounds, your total is 88. You're so close. I'll get the other guys to help and hopefully we'll get you to 100. This is great news. She's going to help us. Well, she is. She's already helping us because she's given me these cardboard cutouts. And she said if we can think of a word to describe or to talk about or to share information about the character, and we can write it in the middle of this frame, we're allowed them as points. So let's take a look at this first one. And I thought for this first one, I can see Catboy. And we know the sounds in the words cat and we know the sounds in the word boy. So we can put them together to make Catboy. So if I hold this frame up, I'm going to have a go at writing Catboy. Okay, just like this. It's getting darker, isn't it? See if we're going to get there. Catboy, we need a capital letter for the start of his name. So K, A. What's going to be next? Cat. Well done. Cat. Boy. B. Well done. And then I need the oi that comes at the end of a word. Fantastic. It's an O and a Y. Catboy. Well done, everybody. That's going to give us K, at, B, oi. That's given us 5 sounds. Well done, we're so close. Okay, take a look at this next one. So we've got Owlet. And Owlet is red. She wears red. So let's have a go at writing red in the frame. Okay, so can you help me with red? What's going to come first? Well done. Thank you. And D. Well done. Ed, red, well done. So that's given us ed, 3 sounds. Brilliant, well done. Okay, I had to just go and put some lights on. It was getting way too dark. I held up the next frame to the screen and I couldn't see it anymore. So I've put the lights on. It'll be okay for a little while, but if I need more lights on, that's when we start to get a shine on this board and it's not good for my phonics session. So we've got one more word to write and let's hope we're at number 100 for our sounds. So let's take a look. So we've got Gecko here, and I thought we could have a go at writing the colour for Gecko as well. And Gecko is green. He wears a green costume. So let's have a go at writing green in the frame. Grab my pen. Here we go. So green. So what's first? Well done. So G. Well done. E, thank you, Gr. E, N, well done. So what does that give us? G, R, een. That's going to give us 4 sounds. That is so good. So I wonder what that totals. Let me just work that out. So let's have a look. Right, that's given us 12 sounds. Is that going to be enough to get to 100 sounds? Let's see. Let's just hope that they got us up to 100. So that little activity gave you 12 more sounds. So 88, plus 12 equals, let me just think, 100. It equals 100. You've done it. Well done, phonics stars. You've done it. You reached 100 sounds. Give yourselves a huge clap whilst I write the number 100. Woo! Well done. 100 sounds in one phonics session. You are amazing. You've used and read 100 sounds today. That is amazing. I am so proud of you. Thank you for helping me get to 100 sounds in my 100th video. I'm so proud of you all. Thank you, and I'll see you soon.